What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video we're gonna learn how to set OBS Studio to stream on Twitch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna teach you guys the basic tips, or let's say basic settings that you need which are to stream on Twitch. So what you're gonna do is firstly you need to record your screen. So just go over here, this plus button over it says add source, then go to this option which says display capture. Then you can rename it or leave it as it is and select OK, and just have your requirements over here as per your requirements. I think press OK, and then you'll be needing this desktop audio mic aux. So what that means is you'll be needing audio input and audio output. So you can go from here. If you need your video capture as well, let's say you have webcam, then you can go over here and just add it from here. So I'm not gonna add this, I have no webcam over here right now. Then what you'll be needing is just go to settings and then go to the stream and just select Twitch, and about the stream key will be on your Twitch account. So just go to your Twitch, go to your profile, and then go to settings, and over here just go to the option channel and videos, and then do the stream on your left, and here you'll be having your stream key. Just copy it and just paste it over here, and then press apply and then OK. And then once you are ready, you can press start streaming button, and that's all guys. After you press start streaming, you start streaming on Twitch. So that's pretty much guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and also comment down for more reviews and more contents like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.